Hello, 7th standard student. In the last session, we have studied about the mean, and in this session, we are going to study about the mode. As we have said, mean is not the only measure of central tendency or the only form of representative value. For different requirements from a data, other measures of central tendencies are used. Now look at the following example. To find out the weekly demand for different sizes of shirt, a shopkeeper kept records of sales of sizes 90 cm, 95 cm, 100 cm, 105 cm, 110 cm. And following is the record for a week. Look at here in this table, they give us a different sizes and the number of shirts sold. And from the table we can see that 8 shirts are sold which having size 90 centimeter, 22 shirts are sold of size 95 centimeter, 32 shirts are sold of size 100 centimeter, 37 shirts are sold of size 105 centimeter, and 6 shirts are sold of size having 110 centimeter. That means there are total numbers of shirts sold are 105. If he found the mean of number of shirts sold, do you think that he would be able to decide which shirt sizes to keep in stock? Now we are going to find out the mean. Mean of total shirts sold is equal to total number of shirts sold. Number of different sizes of shirts is equal to 105 upon 5 is equal to 21. Now look at here. Should he obtain 21 shirts of each size? If he does so, will he be able to cater to the needs of customers? The shopkeeper, on looking at the record, decided to procure shirts of sizes 95 cm, 100 cm, 105 cm, and he decided to postpone the procurement of the shirts of other sizes because of their other number of buyers. Look at here, because this 95 cm, 100 cm and 105 cm showing the nearest value of the mean of total number of shirts, which is near to the 21. This is 22, 32, 27, which is near to the 21. So the shopkeeper, on looking at the record, decides to procure shirts of sizes 95 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 105 centimeter. Okay. Now look at the another example. The owner of a dress shop says the most popular size of dress I sell is the size 90 centimeter. Now observe the here also the owner is concerned about the number of shirts of different sizes sold. She is however value for a data. The highest event is the sale of size 90 centimeter. This observation is the observation of. Now look at here one of the examples. More frequently, that observation is known as mode. Now how we can find the mode of large data? Look at here example number 5. As like that we can put data in a tabular form. Look at here example. Following the margins of the victory in the football matches of a league. They give us a margins. And we have to find out the mode of this data. Now how we can find this? Let us put the data in a tabular form. Okay, margins of victory, tally bars and number of matches. As like that we make a 3 columns. And how we can find out the victory? The lowest value is 1 and the highest value is 6. So as like that we wrote here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. From this data we can say that 1 is occur for the 9 times. This, look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we are going to write here 9 tally bars. But how we can write it? We have to make a bunch of 5. Look at here, we have to draw for 4 standing lines and we have to give a one slanting line on that 4 standing line. So it is a set of 5. This 5 and 4, 9. As like that, we are going to mark the tally bars of the each margin of the victory. And if the total is as same as the given data, that is 40, that means our table is correct. And now on looking at the table, we can quickly say that 2 is the mode. Since 2 has occurred the highest number of times, thus most of the matches have been won with a victory margin of 2 goals. Okay. Now look at here, find the mode. Here they give us a set of numbers 2, 6, 5, 3, 0, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4. Okay, now look at here how we can find the mode orally. Here is the 2 is occur for the 3 times 1, 2 and 3. 6 is occur only for 1 time. And this 5 is occur for only 2 times. Now look at here 3. How many times it occurs? 1, 2, 3, only 3 times. Okay. Now look at here. What about this? 4, 1, this 2, this 3. Okay. This 4 is also occur 3 times and this 3 is also occurring for 3 times. That means the mode of the given data is 3 and 4. As like that you have to find out the mode of this given data yourself. Try to find out it. The set of given numbers is 2, 14, 16, 12, 14, 14, 16, 14, 10, 14, 18, 14. While reading this number of set, we can easily say that the mode of this given data is 14 because the observation that is 14 has occurred the highest number of times and thus the most of the value which is occurs for the more times is 14. Appropriate measure of what is the appropriate measure of the following highest was 25 117, 120, 112, 115, 110, 120, 115, 102, 115, 115, 109, 115, 101. So many numbers are there. The game's teachers wants to divide the class into two groups so that each group has equal number of students. One group has students with highest lesser than a particular height and the other group has students with highest greater than the particular height. How will she do that? Let us see the various options she has. Look at here carefully. She can find the mean. The mean is of a given data. Look at here, the sum of all the observations upon the number of total observations. So if divide students into two groups on the basis of this mean height such that one student of height less than the mean of height and the other group had student with the height more than the mean height, then the groups would be of unequal size. They would have 7 and 10 members respectively. Look at here, how many numbers are there which is below 113? Look at here carefully. Now we are going to this is the lesser than 113.52. Then this one is 3, 4. Than the mean of the total students height, and other remaining 10 students having the height more than the mean height. As like that, teacher would have 7 and 2 members respectively. And the second option for her is to find the observation with highest frequency is 115 centimeter. Look at here, how many times 115 occurs? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means the mode of the given data is 150. There are 7 children below the mode and 10 children at the mode and above the mode. Look at here, how many students are below the mode? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 students are below the mode and 10 students are on the mode and above the mode. There are 7 children below the mode and 10 children at the mode above the mode, as we have seen that. Therefore, we cannot divide the group into equal parts. Now, let us therefore think of an alternative measure of. We again look at the given heights of students and divides the students into two equal groups of 8 students each. Look at here, the total data is of 17 numbers and this middle number is 150. This value is called median. So what is median? Median refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data. What is the mean? Mean, that means the total observations divided, sum of total observation divided by total observation, we get mean. What is mode? given data arranged in ascending or descending order, the median gives us the middle observation. Okay, look at here. Note that in general, we may not get the same value for the median and mode. Thus, we realize that mathematics test out of 25 students is as follows: 19, 25, 23, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, 20. Find the mode and the median of this data. Are they same? Now look at here, scores of 15 students in mathematics test are, and now we are going to arrange this data in a ascending order as like this way: 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25. Mode of the given data is that value of observation which occurs the most number of times. Median of a given data is in the middle observation when the data is arranged in an ascending or descending order. So we can see this, there are 15 terms in the given data, therefore the median of the data will be the 8th observation. Look at here, hence the median is 20, and this 20 is occurs for the 4 times, so median is also, mode is also 20, which is both are same. The question number 2, the run scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows: 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 50, 8, 10, 15. Find the mean, mode and median of this data. R3, the run scored by 11 players they give us, and if we are going to arrange this ascending order, we can see that A6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 18, 80, 100, 120. And if we are going to find out the mean, we have to find out the sum of the all scores of 11 students divided by 11. So 429 upon 11 is equal to 39. So mod of the given data is that value of observation which occurs for the most number of times, and the median of the given data is the middle observation when the data is arranged in an ascending or descending order. As there are 11 members in a given data, therefore the median of this data will be the sixth observation. 11 is an odd number and we can easily find out the middle observation. So median is 15. And also it can be observed that 15 occurs 3 times, which is maximum number of time. Therefore mode of this data is also 15. So no, mean is 39, mode and median is 15. So no, though these three are not the same. Now look at here question number 3. The weights in kg of 15 students are given here. 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47. And now we have to find out the mode median of this data. And the second question, is the more than one mode? Answer. Now look at here. They give us a weight of 15 students and we are going to arrange these weights in a ascending order. When we arrange these weights in ascending order, we can see that the mode of given data is that value of observation which occurs for the most number of times, and the median of the given data is the middle observation when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order. Therefore, the median of given data will, sorry, can see